Welcome to Beta Math.
Special numbers. These are numbers which have special names. For instance, even numbers are those which are divisible by 2 to give a whole number. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Odd numbers are those which are not even. Interestingly, you can use the previous definition to define odd numbers. That's quite permitted in mathematics. Factors are those which divide into another number. For example, 3 is a factor of 12 because it goes in 4 times. Factors come in pairs. For example, here 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12, giving all the factors of 12 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Multiples are in a times table. For example, the first 5 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 25. And the 8th multiple of 7 is 8 times 7, 56. Prime numbers are those which have only 2 factors. Those factors are 1 and themselves. The first few are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. There are 25 prime numbers less than 100. You might like to spend a little time finding out that 25. Square numbers. These are numbers like 1 times 1, which is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16, etc. And they are given the characteristic n squared. That's the way of describing it, where n is any whole number. Cube numbers, a similar arrangement, 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8, 3 times 3 times 3, 27, etc. And it's n cubed. Triangle numbers, these are quite interesting. That's 1, 1 plus 2 gives you 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives you 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives you 10. And they're called triangle numbers because you can draw a pattern like the ones in this particular picture here. On each line, you can take it for this one. This one's got 3 on the bottom of the triangle, added to the bottom of the previous triangle. This one has got 5 added to the bottom of the previous triangle. So you build up a dotty picture of this type, and you can do it as a right angle triangle. And there's the triangle numbers up to 45. And just a reminder, the diagram explains why they're triangular numbers. Adding another row of dots to the bottom of the previous diagram with one more dot in the row increases the number of dots as required by the sequence.
Thank you for watching.